Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for over 11 years, and this is the x18WD wet dry vac. Now in this video series, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's also going to help you minimize the cost and need of sending a service technician. So your drain hose is busted and we need to replace it, or your cap is broke or something like that. It's very simple. You've got a hose clamp right here. So what you're going to need to do is take a flathead screwdriver and loosen the hose clamp. You can pull your drain hose off just like that, and then you can unclip it right here at the top. Replace it. Go ahead and put it back on the bottom first, and then tighten down your hose clamp. Make sure it's good and tight so you're not getting any leaks down there. And then you can clip it back up to the machine. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video and thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.